Are you shitting me?
Alrighty, you boobers, we're back. Another episode of Barkin Baggers with the Tree Amigos. It's gonna be a good ride today. It's gonna be a little hot today. It's gonna be about 91 down here in Florida. We're gonna head up to, we're going north this week, up to Titusville. Going to a restaurant called New York, New York. It's not too bad, man. I'm hoping the traffic's not too bad on the east side of town over there. But, you know the boys here. We're going to be making a bunch of beer stops, of course. I think Joseph's already talking about stopping. We just met him. He wants to stop already. So, you know, normal ride. So, ride along. Woo!
Oh yeah.
A guy kills himself on the way home for the Miami football stadium. So after halftime is no more beer. So everybody drinks the first halftime as much as they would spread it out.
They just double it up.
Yeah. Right.
Right.
So, does it make sense?
Nothing makes sense.
You cannot drink a beer on the beach. Why is that? With some drunken guys, rowdy, threw all the everything away. So there's no more alcohol, no animals, no playing, no digging. No, it's
no
always
fun.
Because of one or two fucking assholes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, why don't you come after them?
Right.
First time I went down. So the first time I went down when they had that policy in place. I was sitting there and halftime was coming, and I saw these people coming with trays and trays of beer.
Yeah.
I said, what the fuck? I mean, why do they bring 10 beers?
Right.
This gets warm, right? Until somebody said, you better get your beer now because
you
after
stock up.
halftime is no more beer. I say, what?
All right, we're leaving bridge number 1, heading to bridge number 2. We got to get Joseph, got to get a few beers in him, get him riding right here. Yeah, I think after the next beer stop, we'll probably be heading up to lunch. Of course, you know how that goes. I don't know. There could be 4 more beer stops in between. But it is a nice day right now. Like I was saying, it's going to be hot today. It's supposed to be 91. Let's see what we got here. I'm hoping to stay out of traffic today. It's 83 right now. Yeah, it's super nice right now. But yeah, ride along, man. Second beer stop, second bridge. Yeah, grab a beer, man. Head on up to New York after this. New York, New York, Titusville.
Ask your chef.
It's very simple. You got a piece of pork here, raw pork, right?
Yep.
You can consider yours a pork because they do tests. A human being is almost like a pork.
Okay.
The interior.
That's why I'm all for cannibalism.
Okay. So
why
you
you
got this piece of pork, raw meat, and then you have a nice smoked ham. Okay.
Okay.
So how long is that not before it starts stinking, and how long does it take?
So you say smoking is better?
So smoked meat lasts longer. How hard is that, right?
One way to think of it, I guess.
now.
Yeah.
Smoked meat lasts longer. I mean, everybody knows that.
Well, everybody knows it. The Indians.
Everybody knows that.
Everybody knows it.
Alright, yo, bridge stop number 2 done. Heading out on the road again. The boys said they're stopping for another beer before the frickin' lunchtime. But I'm not sure where they're stopping because we're kind of heading up to a territory I'm not too familiar with. So we'll just have to ride along and we'll figure it out together. But we are having a good time so far today. Temperatures are still within reason. Not too bad. It's noon right now, so yeah, one more stop and then lunch. Another bridge, boys, another bridge. Alright, this has to be the last bridge until we eat lunch. Did you see it? That's an airmail.
Why does it seem like we're getting here quicker?
I don't know, but there sure is a lot of bridge stops today.
Look at that. Shiny.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
So what bird is that?
It's a quail.
Double-headed cocksucker.
Oh, that made him remind him of something. What?
Look at the cheek on you. You smell too strong. That's why everything gets on you. The quail eggs I bought at the glass out
Oh my
there.
God, he did. He bought a jar of pickled quail eggs.
Oh.
In Lake Marion.
Would you open your
Oh, my
mind a
God.
little bit?
What?
Would
What?
can
You want to
even
eat a
open your
fucking
mind?
rabbit dick? You want to try that?
Fuck yeah.
I see. I always told you he was gay.
I eat bull
Bull balls.
balls, like a schnitzel.
I heard they're pretty good.
They're called, wait a minute, West Virginia oysters.
Yes. Yep.
Oh my God, I tell you.
I had them in Texas.
But like I said, you have to have an open mind about food. And I think a lot of people, they don't have an, like, especially
I don't
you.
need an open mind.
Okay, no, let me tell you. Okay, so you don't have an open mind about food because the way it is when you eat food, it doesn't appear to you, it doesn't. But put it in your mouth and give it a shot. And
That's
they
what
say,
she
no.
said.
Alright guys, we're leaving the third bridge. We're finally going to lunch. If this Hawaiian fucker would get going in front of me here, he's had too many beers I think already. What are we doing here? Alright boys, come on. Alright guys, we're gonna hit the New York restaurant up in, I think it's in Titusville, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty cool place on the water, so I'll show you around that joint. But until then, enjoy the ride out there. Oh yeah, this looks familiar. Yeah, we'll get situated here, guys. I got to change the batteries out and a couple cameras, and then I'll show you around the joint. Doesn't look like much, that's for sure. Could use some paint. Yeah, it looks like shit. So this is New York, New York. Of course, they got the inside too. It's just a bunch of tables in there. It's nothing spectacular. And they got this closed off
Beautiful dock. Looks really safe out there. Man, what's going on? They need to fix this place up, man. This is crazy. But yeah, on the river, super nice, man. Food's supposed to be good, I'll let you know. But this is New York, New York. Yeah, somebody had a few drinks, huh, John?
Wow.
Yeah.
Then walk down the dock. He's got to jump. Not every...
I mean, is anything here not falling apart?
What are you doing?
Some chicken tenders, man, look pretty good. John Boy got the burger.
Oh my God.
Joseph's not going to eat. He's drinking his lunch.
No, I do quality control.
Oh, okay.
Since I'm the chef, let me check.
Sufficient?
Not good enough for you.
All right, guys, we just left New York, New York. Well, a while ago, but it was raining, so I didn't have the camera out. But Joseph is taking US 1 home, probably his normal 120 miles per hour. It looked like it was raining east, and it was a little bit, like I said, when we left there. So me and John headed west. We took the same way home that we came, and I'm glad we did. We stopped at the gas station, got a couple beers. So we're stopping and having a drink right now. And yeah, man, I'm looking at the YouTube stats. 90% of the views on this channel are people that aren't subscribed. So do me a favor, man, hit that subscribe and share it with your friends. Help me out a little bit. And yeah, that'll probably do it for this ride, and we will definitely catch you on the next one. So see you then.